Today, I just found an interesting infographic about comparing front-end developer with back-end developer. In terms of salary, the back-end developer get higher than a front-end developer, but they are nearly the same. In terms of language and technology, a front-end developer need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back-end developer need to learn Python, Ruby, PHP, Clojure, Rust, Scala. In terms of frameworks, every front-end developer need to learn at least one of these three frameworks: React, Vue, and Angular. And for backend developer, if you are a PHP developer, you need to learn Runaware. If you are a Node.js developer, you need to learn Express.js, and Happy.js is another framework for you as a backend developer. About packages, for front-end developer, you need to use one of npm or yarn package. And for backend development, if you are using Python, you need to use pipe. If you are using PHP, you need to use Composer. If you use Node.js, you need to use npm and gems for Ruby. About strength, a front-end developer will be a creative, visionary, and artistic style, and a backend developer have an analytic, logical, and systematic mind. Even if we differentiate between these two rules, both need to work hand in hand to provide great experience to the user. Therefore, there is no versus when it comes to front-end and backend development. Key part is there are full-stack developers who are able to work on both front-end and back-end portions of an application.